English step by step. Present simple and continuous. Step 1. You can watch my other videos on present simple and present continuous to study the forms of these tenses. But let's just look at the meanings for the moment and the uses. We use present continuous when we are referring to things that are happening now or around now. Here are some examples. Look, the sun is shining. And of course that means at this moment, now. I'm not working this week. That means this temporary period. I'm maybe working at the moment, but this week I am not working. Around now, I am not working. The next one is a question. Are you preparing for an exam? And that means now, currently, during this temporary period, around now. So these are all present continuous. We use present simple for actions which are repeated or which are true in general. Now these actions don't have to be happening at the time of speaking. So let's look at these examples. The sun always shines even when it's cloudy. So that's long term, that's almost a permanent situation. That's different from now the sun is shining. Number 2, I work 5 days a week, and that means it's a repeated action. And that's different from I'm not working this week, which is a temporary situation. Example number 3, he's a chef, so he prepares food every day. That means it's a repeated action. It's part of his routine. That's different from are you preparing for an exam, which is talking about a temporary situation. So let's look more carefully at the differences between the present simple and the present continuous. The use of present simple is different from the present continuous. We use present simple for repeated or habitual actions, whereas we use the present continuous for things that are happening now or during a temporary period. So you can look at my other series of videos on the present simple and present continuous to see more examples. But here are some examples we can look at now. Number 1, he wears a uniform in his job. He's wearing a uniform at the moment. So the first one, repeated. The second one, at the moment. Number 2, I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat meat. Now that means I never eat meat. It's a long-term situation. I often eat meat, but I'm not eating meat today. So that's talking about a temporary situation. Number 3, do you always wait for a bus? Are you waiting for a bus today? So the first one is talking about repeated action. Second one, at the moment. Number 4, ice melts when the sun comes out. Now that's something that's always true, so we use the present simple. The ice is melting today. Now that's talking about the current situation, at the moment. Number 5, I'm not studying English today, so that's present continuous, temporary situation. I don't study English every day, so that's referring to a repeated action. It's spring, so the flowers are coming out. So that's happening now, present continuous. The flowers come out every spring, so that's something that always happens, so we use the present simple. So now you can test your understanding of the difference between, or some of the differences between present simple and present continuous by doing this practice exercise. So you can pause the video, or I'll leave the video up for 1 minute and you can write down the answers on a piece of paper, and then you can click on the next video, step 2, to check your answers. So when you've finished, just click on the next video, step 2, and you'll find an explanation of the answers.